Hi, my name is Pauline. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, nandito tayo sa Barangay Bornabe. It's a Pinoy festival and it's called Tiangge. So, Tiangge means store. So, samahan nyo ako na ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga different vendors ng mga Pilipino dito sa Barangay Bornabe. Okay? Sige na, tara na. Hello po. Oh, for the dog. Sige. Ano po, habang may anak ko, siya mag-order. Mga farm pa na tunay.
Hello, kabayan. Lagyan, kabayan.
Oh, yes! Okay, well, hi po sa mga Pinoy po dyan. Local brand po tayo. Love your own po. Official name mo. Diamond made po. Hello po, support po, support.
Ano lang siya? Home business?
Yes po ate. So, yung friend po namin from Calgary po siya. Pero officially nag-stay na po siya ng Vancouver. So, ito po yung pinaka very own niya po na ano talaga brand niya. Parang ano lang, local talaga na brand. Pero good quality po ate. Itong jacket na po. Original brand niya po din. Marites! We are proud Marites! Very warm po ate. Super useful po.
Ito mga jacket na ganyan.
Boss, magkano na yung ganitong jacket nyo?
$30.
$40 dati ate, pero ngayon kasi parang, kasi price na, $30 na lang po.
So we are here at Tiangge.
Tiangge Pinoy Festival event po, just beside Metro Town.
The flag. Thank you, Follow me.
Yes, ate.
My Canadian life.
Yes, kasi I do reels po din ate, wait lang.
Support mo naman kami.
My Canadian
Mga
life?
small time YouTube ako.
Yes, ate, I do same po ate. My Canadian.
Hello po. Ano naman binibenta niyo po?
Iba-iba tayo. May mga damit ako, may mga bag, may mga meriendang from Philippines.
Magkano yung champurado?
Ano na lang po yan? 3 for $10.
3 for
$10.
$10. Sa vlog ko to sa channel ko, kamusta naman ang negosyo mo?
Thank you, okay naman te. May page ako. Sorry, kumain ako ng mani.
May ano ka?
Page. Facebook page. Nag-online selling ako.
So online selling ka.
So, nagkaroon ng opportunity, kaya
That's
inras ko.
good. Good
dito.
for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bili ako naman. Ay, very great.
Go to the bathroom, get some paper towels.
Come on downstairs.
Up. Right entrance.
Come on downstairs.
Cutting board. I like the cutting board.
Shine in the sun.
Ayan, sweater. Tapos yung sweater na Pinoy.
So, these are fidgets pala. I teach students with special needs. And I usually buy it from the catalog. Yeah, and realize it's ano ito gawa sa ano?
Oh, it's made of PLA po.
Made of?
PLA.
Pinoy ako.
Magkano po yung ano, yung sweater?
What?
Yung sweater, magkano? Magkano po ito?
Itong 50.
50.
Wala siyang hoodie.
Yeah.
Yung may hoodie po, 60.
The young entrepreneur. Sa'yo to?
Aba.
Oh, that's good. Good for you. So you do online? Do you go to, do you have a store from Etsy?
Yeah, and I have
We
cozy
also want
brand.
to extend our gratitude to our amazing
But she's so
sponsors
kind.
who have supported
And
this
these are
event.
fidgets too? All of them?
Yes po.
Oh, they're all fidgets. Sino yung mga market mo? Sino yung
Cooking smarter,
mga
eating
bumibili?
healthier, and
We
living
do
better.
disability po sometimes. Actually, everyone po. But sometimes they just display it po sa car nila.
While preserving
Dapat ilagay mo siya sa catalog.
Vlog Marketing, looking to elevate your brand. Vlog Marketing specializes in
Congratulations, keep up.
branding, photography, videography, and public for all your printing needs. From business cards to banners, Print Republic delivers high-quality prints with a fast turnaround. Visit printrepublic.ca to see how they can bring your ideas to life. Iman Ragwin is a trusted expert in new and pre-owned vehicles, recognized for award-winning service. He has helped countless Kababayans find the perfect car with honest and professional guidance.
They have Bongko Pandan. Ano yung kanina?
Creative Notes.
Ako, ito,
Planning
Bongko
and
Panda.
events. Creative Notes specializes in event coordination, decor rentals, and entertainment to make your special occasion unforgettable. From venue selection to DJs,
Yung tama,
photographers, and
ayos,
sound
friend.
setting setups, they bring your vision to life. Contact them today for your next event.
Sa Pagita, if you want to
And for me as well, looking for your dream home, the Filipino real estate community CPC, led by me, is your trusted partner in home ownership. Whether you're buying your first home or investing, they'll guide you every step of the way. Join our community on Facebook.
Kasi yung mamayayin sa Pagita.
Thank you to all the sponsors.
Ito yung kandila. Calamansi. Flavor. Mabango siya. Smells so good. So, sa bahay nyo lang ginagawa yan? Sa bahay nyo lang ginagawa?
Yeah, handmade po siya, hand-poured. So, lahat po kami gumagawa. Even the toppings po, like
Yeah.
this one po. Meron po siyang ube, ice cream, meron
Parang
po siyang
hindi mo na
nana.
siya sisindihan. Parang baka masira.
You can serve it.
Maganda.
Po talaga ako singer, komedyante po ako.
Ito naman ay
Pinagtataka ko lang bakit gusto akong pinapakanta ni Kuya Pao. And sa lahat po ng hindi nakakaalam, bali ako po si Raymond Fernando as a club president ng Vancouver.
we even have a magazine called Salamat. Ito yung nagtitinda siya ng mga
When it was fun,
tapos hello! Matagal na tong business mo?
We started yung COVID po. COVID.
During COVID.
That's right. On and off. Because we have a full-time job.
Aha.
So, kailangan din namin mag-focus sa full-time job. Hopefully, become a full-time job. Hopefully.
Yeah. Dapat na, kasi business, so.
Carinderia food.
Tagalog po, Tagalog.
That's the plan.
Sige, salamat ha.
Salamat po.
Mayroon din pala tayong Filipino
Sige,
school
kakantahan ko
dito.
kayo ng kakantahan. Tagalog daw, Tagalog. Tutuyo nila lang muna
Kasi yung
ako.
mga Pilipino dito hindi na marunong mag-Tagalog, which is a little bit sad. Sana yung mga anak ko, kahit anong course mo na magsalita ng Tagalog. So ano yung curriculum nyo? Parang after school?
Yeah, so it's going to be on Saturdays.
Every what?
Yeah, it's going to be every week. Starting Saturday from April to June. So we're just finalizing yung locations po. Pero gagawin po natin ito dito sa Burnaby para sa ating mga kabataan mula elementary, high school, para matuto din po sila ng language and culture ng Filipino.
Yan, tapos conversational lang yung mga conversational lang yung...
Conversational.
Yeah.
Tapos March 8, meron po tayong Kwentong Pinoy. So, Filipino story time. Ito monthly. Sa Metrotown Library.
Sa Metrotown Library.
Yeah.
Oh, so that one is already okay. Mayroon venue. Yeah. I actually took a picture of it already. Yeah. Salamat ha. Picture kayo sa Philippines.
Yeah, yung kasama ko, teacher. Tagapantay lang po ako.
So we are here in Barangay Burnaby. What's your name again?
Kim Lacanaria.
Kim Lacunar. What is your role for organizing this event?
Honestly, I was just asked like, oh, if I have any youth volunteers wanting to, or actually I reached out to them. I said I have volunteers. that
Yeah.
want to do this,
So you
right?
are part of the volunteers. Yeah.
Not really. I was never given like a role talaga. I just kind of took initiative to do it. And my festival, if you guys come, I'll be there. I'll be the youth director.
Okay, so sa June yun, di ba? Sa
June.
Independence Day na rin ng mga Pilipino.
Yes, it's on at Swanguard.
So, saan
Swan
yun?
Guard.
Okay.
Swanguard, yes.
Swanguard. Okay, thank you so much.
Of
Yeah,
course.
we really had fun. Nakita namin yung community ng Burnaby.
If you saw it this morning, you could see the youth. They were like, nagbubudots-budots pa sila.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you so
Of course,
much.
no problem.
Kim, right?
Of course.
Kim. Thank you, Kim. So, Rhea Santos will have a storytelling sa mga Pilipino na mga bata na medyo hindi na sila nakakapag-Tagalog. So, kudos to you, Rhea Santos. Sa March 8 yan sa library dito sa Burnaby. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pinoy Festival sa Barangay Burnaby. Burnaby is about 15 minutes away from downtown Vancouver. Madami palang mga Pilipino dito. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa festival na to. At ang dami ko pang nakuha mga subscribers na mga bata. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa Pinoy Festival. And in June, it's a National Filipino Month. So meron sila ulit na events sa Vancouver. I got the picture of their plan. When is it going to be held? So again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I will be featuring the Filipino culture here, festival events as the summer is approaching. Madami tayong mga festival na nagre-reflect sa Filipino culture. Thank you, and again, maraming salamat. If you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Bye-bye.